How to make a video collage on the InShot app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily create a video collage on your InShot app. Go ahead and first open up your InShot application. And once you open up the app, you can just tap on the video option. Then if this is your first time, you can just allow access. Now all you have to do is create a blank canvas. Tap on blank, then tap on done. Now once you have done that, tap next, keep tapping it. And then from this track, first thing you do is create a background for yourself. Find background and tap on it. Then you can select your background color. So I'll just keep it this. I'll just increase the video length. Now all you have to do is find picture in picture, that is PIP, to add your videos. So I can just go ahead and tap on it and then click on PIP. Now you can select your video clip that you want to add here. Now here I've selected this video clip that I want to add. Once you've chosen your first clip, you can do the same thing by adding your second clip. So I'll just leave it somewhere around here. Then go back again on this down below. And then you're going to have to tap done. You can adjust the length of the video just like so. And then tap on done. Now you can just add PIP again. And again tap on PIP at the left side. So here is another video that I have just added. So I'll just make it vertical as well. Something like this. Long press on it and adjust your clips. Now adjust your clips to match each other's length. And then you can just tap on done. And finally, you can just tap on it and then tap on split, delete the remaining part, and then you'll have your two video clips right here playing side by side as a collage. Now tap on export at the top right, and then you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.